guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is trying to take the Pontiac for its first official test drive. First, we got a couple things to do, and well, the first thing of that is getting some gas in her because she's empty. So what the plan is basically I gotta get the exhaust actually hung up right now. The passenger side's just fucking laying. It's just laying on the ground. Like it's bolted up to the header, but it's just laying on the ground. Also, I gotta get an air cleaner put on. Gotta dump some transmission stop leak in there. So that's how we fix problems around here. And yeah, we're gonna try to take her down to the self-cleaning car wash thing and see if we can get some of this oxidized paint off, make her look all shiny and show car worthy. Okay, so we're gonna have to let the shop de-smoke for a while, and also the engine to cool down, because I gotta figure out if the rad cap is just screwed or what. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys some awesome goodies I just picked up. Chrome. This is gonna increase the horsepower like at least 50%. Like chrome, that's a whole lot of horsepower right there. Oh yeah. So this is how she looks. I think it looks pretty nice. Only thing is I don't have the rod there that holds it down, but I have a piece of ready rod, so we're just gonna cut that to size and then screw it down that way. I think that's probably gonna work well. We'll see. Okay, so we don't actually have any, or I don't have any cutting discs or anything to cut this ready rod down. So I'm just gonna use the corner of this bench grinder at an approximate-ish measurement, and hopefully it works. Get the safety squints going. That actually works phenomenal. Okay, let's go see if that works. Okay, so I got my newfangled piece of ready rod here. Oh god, that is hot. Oh, that's hot. New piece of ready rod here. I don't even know if it's the right thread. That's kind of working. It's in there. It's definitely got to be shorter, but let's see how much shorter. Oh, quite a bit shorter. Quite a bit shorter. Okay, so we're going to go over, mark it with a Sharpie, then go back and do the same thing I just did. Say right about there. There. Perfect. So we got that cut down to size now. And let's get this thing back in. Like that. Boom. I almost lost the wing nut. That would suck. Make sure it actually fits without hitting. Shit, it might be hitting. Shouldn't be hitting. Maybe I just suck. Well, if it hit, I'll see this mark, so check it out. It did not hit. It did not hit. Perfect. Honestly, I'm sure it's just my timing that's out of whack, so I'm happy with it. Look at that. It's nice. Okay, so I figured, well, we're waiting for this engine to cool down a bit so I can... What the hell am I going to do? I can't remember, but there's something I need to do that needs the engine to cool down for a while. I'm going to get this guy all hung up. So, it's like hitting on the frame because it's bent up that way. So I need to make a notch right here, bend it down, weld it. But then it's dipped down right here. So I need to make a notch here-ish to bend it back up and then weld it. So it's like it's down and up and out. I need to make it just straight across. So let's get that done. So like I said before, I don't have any cutting blades for the grinder, so sawzall. This is exactly the wrong way to weld. Maybe one day I'll try to show you the right way if I can figure it out. But God, that is right. I'm feeling my friggin' right. It looks terrible, but whatever. It's gonna hold some exhaust back. It's finally done. So it looks like crap, but it's done. So it's a victory. Okay guys, like I promised, we're gonna take her out for a test spin now. See if she can actually make it around the block without stalling. Because last time I took it out once before, it stalled like 3 times around the block. So we'll see. Transmission is fucking good. I didn't even make it out of the parking lot. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I need somebody smarter than me for this. Okay, so honestly, I think it's probably the timing that's all screwed up. I don't have access to a timing light right at the moment, So, oh, what the fuck? The horn stopped working. That sucks. Okay. I'm definitely not making it around the block. Let's get back to the shop. I think I just blew a tire. So, took it out for a test drive. Can you guess what happened? The wheel fell off just up the street. So, here I am trying to figure out why. That's brutal. So, I don't know if you could tell or not, but there is absolutely nothing left of these fucking front brakes. Damn. So I'm not sure if that's why the wheel fell off, or if it was because the fact that whoever put these wheels on put on the wrong lug nuts, so they were only held on by like a couple threads. But it's off, and now what I need to do is try to find some lug nuts to get it back on so I can limp it back into the yard. It sucks. Yeah, so I'm thinking, probably needless to say, but that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks if you're watching the videos. I really appreciate it. If you could subscribe, leave a like, share the videos with your friends, you know, whatever. It all helps out in the end. And we'll see if we can get this car actually rolling at some point. I was really pushing to get it done this weekend because it was my birthday, so I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna drive my car, it's gonna be freaking wicked, woo! And then tragedy strikes. But I got it back in the yard, so that's whatever. But yeah, no, like I said, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you want. It all helps. So see you guys later.